This is the typical sanitary piping for the condominium project. All the sanitary piping from the unit run down from the riser to the basement high level and combine to the sanitary main and go to the IC at the first story. They apply the same for all the block. Let's zoom down to the sanitary piping for one of the block. This is one of the block. As you can see, the branches from the riser or direct from the ground combine to the sanitary main, and need to maintain a gradient of 1:90 as per the code towards the IC. As the lowest point here, you need to meet the driveway headroom of 2.8. All the sanitary piping upstream will need to raise out in order to meet the 1.1 gradient of 1:90. This is the section view. As you can see, the basement driveway, in order to meet the 2.8, the upstream will need to raise out. The structure transfer beam will need to provide the recess to house the portrait and riser piping. Once the recess area is indicated and calculated, the structure consultant and designer will work out the transfer beam formwork and the rebar accordingly. Once the formwork is ready, we will start to mark the positions of the sanitary with reference to the grid line. And this is a formwork done by the builder. All this formwork for the recess, and the rebar will start to install accordingly by the builder. And we will mark our piping on the recess as well and start to install the piping. And this is how it completes the casting. The opening access is ready for installations of the sanitary piping, or the opening for the sanitary. I will start the installation of the sanitary piping to meet the gradient requirement as well as to meet the driveway headroom clearance. That's all. Thank you.